I knew when I saw the sample in the showroom that this was going to be a perfect fit for my kitchen. But when they delivered it and installed it, I had no idea how much more beautiful it is.
The main reason I went to Sean was because he's local right here in Central Point. And I did check around with the other places in town, and he's right in there competitive with them. And he made the point to come up here and make sure that the jobs were getting done.
The story behind this beautiful shower is when we bought this place, it had a big sunken tub right here. And it was so deep into the floor that it was hard to climb in and out of. Well, unfortunately, as we've gotten older, we've been here for about 17 years, it just became too difficult. And my husband had shoulder replacement surgery. We couldn't climb in and out of the tub, and the shower was above the tub, so even to take a shower, you had to get in there. So I said, okay, the tub's gotta go. So we met Sean at Marble Concepts and Design, and we went and looked at some of his product, and we really thought it was beautiful. So a friend of ours did a lot of the demolition work, took the old bathtub out, and then Sean came in with his crew and built us this beautiful shower and the vanity that matches it.